Hello everyone, my name is Quốc An. I'm 7 years old. Today I will talk the passing of blizzards. Snow is pretty. It's fun to play in snow, but too much snow can cause a blizzard. Cold and storm will make a blizzard. A lot of snow falls and blows sometimes. You can't see in front of you. Blizzards can last for hours. They can shut off your power. Make sure you have a flashlight and a radio with a battery. In a blizzard, go home. Stay inside and stay warm. If you can't get inside, build a snow cave. Never eat snow in a blizzard. It will make you even colder. Goodbye, everyone.